What's up, everybody? Be very welcome to this video review about the Mitolyn. My name is Victoria. For those who don't know me, today we're going to talk a little bit about this supplement. I know that a lot of you have questions about it, so I'm here to clarify these questions, answer all of these questions for you, but also share an important alert that you must know before I actually purchase it. Then stick until the end, okay? But I already left you the link for the official website in the description below, so after watching it until the end, if you still want to know more information about it or really decide to purchase it, the link will be left just below. Well, guys, Mitolyn is a dietary supplement that was designed to help people lose weight in a healthy and fast manner. I'm pretty sure that Mitolyn is different from anything you have ever seen in the whole internet in your whole life, because it will work directly on the root cause of a problem, the mitochondria. The mitochondria are the powerhouse of our cells, and they are responsible for turning all of the fat into energy and not into carbs. When you don't have a good mitochondria, this process doesn't happen. So your body starts to accumulate fat. All of the fat will be turned into carbs, so that's why you have that stored fat and you can't lose it for anything. So here with Mitolyn, we will work directly on the mitochondria that will make this process happen. And the best thing about this supplement is that it is completely natural, guys, so you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions, okay? It has only a very powerful blend of natural ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, essential nutrients, minerals, proteins, all of them specifically chosen by scientists and proved by them to be effective in your weight loss journey. It will not just work in the mitochondria, but this blend of natural ingredients will also help your body to be faster, your metabolism. It will work in the health of your gut, improve energy and disposition, so lots of benefits. You just need to be committed to it and take it every single day. The minimal treatment is of 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months, so you can see the lasting and effective results you are looking for. In addition to all of these benefits, the producer even offers a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it, and if you don't like or don't see results, they return 100% of your money back. My only alert for you folks is where you're going to get it from, because there are a lot of places claiming to sell the Mitolyn, but the real product is actually sold only on the manufacturer's official website. Remember that to help you out, I provided the link and left it just below in the description box of my video. This is the only place you can make sure that you're getting the real Mitolyn that will bring all of these benefits for you. So be careful to not buy something that is fake and it may harm you, okay, guys? So that's it for today. Enter the official website. You will see that buying 3-bottle kit or the 6-bottle kit, you will have discounts, and it's super worth it. You will have the complete treatment at your house, and you can check the complete list of ingredients, the money back guarantee, everything, guys. You have nothing to lose. Go now and check it out.